Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike Green. I'm one of the owners of 1A Auto. I want to help you save time and money repairing and maintaining your vehicle. I'm going to use my 20 plus years experience restoring and repairing cars and trucks like this to show you the correct way to install parts from 1AAuto.com. The right parts installed correctly. That's going to save you time and money. Thank you and enjoy the video.
In this video, we show you how to replace an outside door handle on this 2001 Chevy Malibu, same as any 97 to 03 Malibu. Tools you'll need are pretty basic: flat blade screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and 7 and 10 millimeter sockets with ratchet and an extension.
8 millimeter wrench. Disconnect your negative battery cable.
And this is more to just protect your battery from running down while you have the door open. Okay, we're going to fast forward through removing the door panel. If you want to see this in regular speed, you just check out our other videos, but there's probably enough here and to figure it out. Remove the switch, unplug it, remove the bezel around the door handle, a couple other bezels, and pull the door panel off.
Now we'll pull your water shield back. Okay, right inside is the back of the door handle. You can see right here your lock rod is in a clip. What you want to do, somebody's already broken this clip, but use a screwdriver, kind of put it in there and press on those teeth, and while you're doing that, pull the rod out. Okay, and then down here you'll see a yellow clip, and the only thing hard about this is actually filming it. You just reach in the outside of this clip, and I just pull with my finger and pull it open and pull this rod out. Okay, and then once you have those disconnected, there's a 10 millimeter bolt there, and then through this hole here is another 10 millimeter bolt. Alright, so reach in with this hand, reach up from the bottom, and then reach in with my screwdriver, and pull that lock rod out. Now 10 millimeter socket and extension, and a ratchet. These bolts come out. Now the handle kind of pulls out, up and out, just like that. Okay, and if you're switching over to a new handle, you just kind of pull this rod out like that. The other thing you want to do is you're going to transfer your lock over. There's a little clip right here. Just kind of pull up on it and then the lock comes out. Okay, new handle from One Auto. You can see it comes molded in black plastic. I am going to put my original one back on because it is still in fine shape. I just want to show you that the new one's going to work great. It comes with a little bit of a different clip, but it doesn't really make a difference. You just put the rod on and bend it down. Okay, and then your lock snaps right in. Okay, just like on the other handle. Okay, and it'll go right into place. Again, black plastic, so you can, if you have a broken door handle, you can replace it as is. It'll fix the broken door handle. If you want to paint it to match, find an automotive parts store with a good paint department. They can probably match the color of your car pretty well. Put some paint in an air charged spray can. You can paint it yourself to match. Okay, so I'm going to take this back out and show you how to reinstall it with the original handle. Okay, so one important note is when you're putting this rod back in, make sure it goes on the outside of this lock rod. What I like to do next is just take the bolts and just thread them in and get them hand tight. Okay, I'll take our lock rod, put it in there. In place of that kind of broken clip, I put a plastic zip tie in there. And then I'll just tighten up those bolts. And make sure our door's unlocked.
And like the beginning, we're going to fast forward through putting the door panel on and make sure you pull those harnesses through, and then everything kind of goes back in reverse order. And then in addition to this, just make sure you reconnect your negative battery cable and you'll be all set to go. And if you want to see replacing this door panel in regular speed, just check out our other videos. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.